Welcome to my house. This is the entry and my beautiful front door.
Very nice.
Love my door. It's so nice.
I love that door.
And the screen, like, you know, when you want to let the fresh air in, it's easy to open.
Wow, I like that feature.
Yeah, I do too. I love it.
Wow, very nice.
And then I use this as an office, but you can use it as a dining room, a playroom, kids' room, you know, anything really.
And this is porcelain, right? The flooring?
Yep.
Because I know they're using other materials now,
Yeah,
so.
the whole house is all the same.
Very good.
Yeah.
I think that's nice for consistency. And the pantry?
Yes.
What a nice pantry.
I love it. And it can be turned into a wine room as well.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, you could.
Because I was going to do that eventually. This is the main living room.
Beautiful.
I should have turned the fireplace on, but...
This has a gorgeous view at night, doesn't it?
Oh my gosh, yes. And in the morning,
I know.
All day.
I've seen some of the sunsets here, and it's beautiful.
Yeah. And people that like to cook here love just staring out there. And we're like, okay, get to the cooking. Stop looking out the window because it's always so pretty.
Right.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, I like the open, or the sink being in the great house for entertaining, and I know you do a lot of it.
For sure. And this is the master bath.
I like the tub.
Yeah, it's actually a jacuzzi tub.
And let's see, the private toilet.
And
Nice big walk-in here.
yeah.
That's
This
nice.
this is like my spa area. And I want to just get away from it all. This is it.
We all need one of those.
Anything really.
Very nice. And this is also plumbed, isn't it?
Yes,
So you could put
it
a
is.
kitchen in here?
Yeah. The way I designed it is that this would be a kitchen right here. And then we would just move all the furniture that way, but it's plumbed right here. Yeah.
Extra linen closet here.
Yeah. So, yeah, this is my teenager's room. In her bathroom.
Is that a storage closet or
This is
walk-in?
a regular, yeah. Oh my gosh.
Just a regular, well, it's still a
I
walk-in.
mean, it's a walk-in closet. In the closet.
And then this goes to they would have their own garage,
Yeah.
which
So
is nice.
it was like, yeah, they can have their own separate entrance.
Yeah, on separate entrance.
There's 3 and then 3 full baths.
3 full baths.
Yeah. And here's the laundry room.
That's nice built-ins.
And the guest
Are you
bedroom.
selling your washer and dryer with it, the home?
I can. I mean,
It's optional.
yeah, it's optional.
Very good. This is a nice bedroom.
Yeah, it's like a guest bedroom for us. And then they have their own separate full shower and bath.
Nice size, that's a king bed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good.
So, and then, oh, I forgot to mention in the master bath, the shower is designed for like a wheelchair. In case someone was living here that
So it's
needed it.
handicap accessible.
Yep.
What about, is it handicap accessible in the,
They didn't do Kenzie's like that.
no?
Because it's not, the shower's not as big. But this one is plenty big to just
Right.
wheel it in and, yeah.
As long as you have one for
Right.
someone
Right.
who'd want to, you never know, right?
Exactly. And then this is the 2-car garage. So you have the 2-car here and the 1-car way on the other side.
And out here we can have horses if we
Yes.
want, right?
And you don't need that much space for horses. I mean, this is plenty of room.
Right. And the home's still under warranty for 2 years,
Yes.
is that correct?
Yeah. And so, yeah, another year and a half. Because I moved in November. And then the property goes all the way to where that well is. I don't know if you can see that, but it's an acre and a quarter. Or what is that, 1.4?
Yeah, 1.4.
Yeah.
Also, we have there's an outlet for an electric car in the garage,
yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So you got the wiring for the plumbing,
Yes.
and then you have that outlet for the electric car.
Oh.
We've reduced it 160,000.
Yeah.
That's quite a savings for someone.
Mm-hmm.
Yvonne, thank you.
All right.
I'm excited to get this
Yes,
up
for sure.
and going for you, and I'm sure we'll find a good buyer for you.
Yes. I agree.
Thank you so much.
All right.